What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, beautybyadaa here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. As you all know, this channel is all about everything hair, makeup, lifestyle. I practically do video about everything, so welcome to my channel. If you want to see more videos of hair, makeup, lifestyle, everything, just stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you actually know whenever I post my video. So today we are going to be doing I'm going to be fixing this I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your wig. Open up, you open up. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you open So welcome back, guys. As you all know, my name is Ada and my channel is all about everything hair, makeup, everything beauty and lifestyle. So welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be working with luxury cover hair. So this is like in collaboration with luxury cover hair. They're like, guys, I don't even know how to say this, but their hair, this is like you all know I'm a hairstylist, right? So when it comes to hair, at least I know a little bit about hair, or let me say much, so many things about hair. So this hair, since I started getting hair from luxury cover hair, it's just a total, like, it's another story, like on another level. Their hair is top notch. You guys will definitely want to buy hair from her or from them. Like, you guys really need to look out for them. I already put down all the info in the description box. If you're interested, I put down their info in the description box, so you can go ahead and check them out. Go to their page. They are on Instagram at luxury cover hair. They are on Snapchat, they're on Facebook. They have a website too. You can go to their website. I'll be putting all the necessary informations that you need down below in the description box, so whatever you need, it will be there. So today I'm going to be installing this wig from luxury cover hair. Their hair is the bomb. Like, their hair is really, really nice, and they ship worldwide. They ship to anywhere you are, you can get their hair. They ship worldwide. They ship to everywhere. Like, anywhere you are, you will definitely get their hair. And another good thing about the hair is that it's very, very affordable. Like, this hair is something I can vouch for. Like, it's very affordable and it's good. Like, they sell the best hair ever. So I'm going to be installing this wig using, I've already put on the wig cap, and I'm using my got2b glue. So we're doing like the bounce cap method, and as you can see, I've already put on my wig cap. I'm cutting off all the excess wig cap that I don't need. I'm cutting that off to make sure that the edges are well laid and trimmed. So I'm applying a foundation hair shade so that everything blends in. You don't like everything will blend in. You have to apply a foundation, your shade or the person's shade if you're doing it for a client. So I'm trying to fit the wig to know, like to size the wig, to know where to cut off and how to go about it in the wig. So I'm just like fitting it on her hair. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I have tons of videos of hair, makeup. Like after this one, what else? Just go and check them out. Check the videos out. I have tons of videos for hair, makeup, braiding, like everything. So when you're done from here, please go and check them out, and please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post videos. You can also like my videos, and feel free to drop your comments, like be it question, be it a video request, anything. Just drop it on the comment section and I'll definitely answer you guys. So I'm already cutting the lace. I'm cutting off the excess lace there. So I'm applying my got2b glue right there. I don't know if it's just me or if it happens to any other person. I don't really like the got2b glue. To me, I feel it doesn't really do the job properly. I feel like the what's it called, like the ghost bond glue is actually better. I've seen reviews from both, and I think the ghost bond glue does better. So definitely next time I'll be using the ghost bond glue because I've tried this, but it worked, but it's not really as strong as the ghost bond glue. I've really seen reviews from people that I know, and that's my opinion though. Yeah, because I've used it and it's not really what I want. It's not really working the way I want to. I had to, like in this video, it was really a struggle. I had to apply it over and over and over. It was just a struggle trying to get it to do the job properly. So I think I'll be trying out the ghost bond glue next. I don't know about this got2b. Maybe there's something I'm not doing right. I don't know, but that's just my opinion. I don't know. So I'm using the dryer to make everything stay together and to make it work, whichever way to make it work. So I'm just laying it down, blending everything, trying to make sure that everything is laid down properly. And oh man, this hair is already looking good. Like, look at the way she's smiling and everything. She was just too excited. She was so happy. So guys, this is it, and I have a tutorial on how I did her makeup. So if you guys want to see that, you can also give me like drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely drop that video on how I did her makeup. This hair is the bomb, and I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe, like my videos, and share my videos. Click on the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will be dropping the video soon on how I achieved her makeup look, so just stay tuned and I'll definitely do that. Please subscribe. Beautybyadaa here. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.